Don't judge a book by its cover. But we say, judge us, not just by our cover, but with every single page within. Because every story begins with a sapling, nurtured at our Life Sciences and Technology Center, never taken from the wild. These saplings are cloned from the mother plant to be water efficient and grow like a crop. Each page is made at our energy and water efficient mill using ozonization. We know you love writing. That's why each page is tested in our labs for consistent quality. Your choice doesn't just impact you, but also farmers nationwide, generating over 212 million days of rural employment. So, judge us. Judge us by our pages. Judge us by our covers. Because from the shoot to the sheet, we deliver consistent quality responsibly at an affordable price. Because every student deserves a classmate.